Hello, everyone. Kathy Sebader, mortgage planner and proud veteran. I am here to talk to you about what alternative ways. We talked about the bank statements. That was video number 1. This is video number 2. Video number 2 is 1099. So if you got to ask yourself what a 1099 is, then I have Janice here. She's here to explain to us how that program works. Janice, thank you so much for joining me.
Thanks, Kathy. Again, I'm Janice. I'm with Lensure Mortgage, and we do help you find solutions to, find alternative financing like the 1099 only program. What does that mean? You do not have to qualify with your tax returns. All you need are your 1099. And that is the income we're going to be using. There will be a small personalized expense factor depending on what you spend, but we all know that on 1040s it looks different than just on your 1099. So it's simple and it's easy. Yep.
Wow. So that means can I give you an example? I have a client right now. He's 1099 only. We've been struggling because they're asking for more paperwork, right? So they say it's a no qualifying loan. We don't care about your 1040s, which is part of your tax returns. We want the Schedule C. We want the P&L. Well, if you got to do all of that, then that is not alternative. So now I'm going to call my realtor up and say, hey, we actually have a real 1099 program that allows you, based on that piece of paper. Wow, that's fast. That's easy. So 1099 people, I'm going to be sending this out. So you better call Janice. Janice, how can they reach you?
Well, they can reach me and they let me know they saw your video and tell me, hey, I'm here for that specialized loan program at 619-838-7588.
Thank you so much.